As in the starting session only I told you that in the company it is not possible that entire model will be built by a single engineer. In this project we will also see how to segregate the task between different engineers. For example, I will assign the left rail inner and outer to engineer A. I will assign the rear truss outer and inner to the engineer B. And here I will assign the front truss upper, lower and reinforcement plate to engineer C. When we segregate the task between multiple engineers, it is always a good practice to give the engineers the criteria file settings also. So I will first create the criteria file setting. So I can go for preference. Let me go for criteria file settings. And here I will put the quality parameter as mentioned in the PDF file. So target element that I have to follow is 10 mm. Minimum size is 5 mm. Maximum size is, let's say, 10 mm. I guess maximum size is 15 mm. Aspect is again 5 mm, warpage is 15 mm. Let me check the angle settings that I have to follow. So let us again open the PDF file. As you can see, angle settings are 145 35, 120 20 and skew that I have to follow is 60. And as you can see, the calculation method has been set it to pattern. So let me again open the hypermesh. So here I will keep this as it is. Here I will say skew to the 60 only and Jacobian to 0.6. But the calculation method I have to set it to pattern. As I told you in the quality check module that the different software will calculate this quality parameter differently. So each company will like to have their own methods of calculating this quality parameter. So here the client has mentioned that we have to follow the pattern method. So I can go for bottom and here I have the pattern method. Now since quality criteria file setting is ready, I can simply say OK. Now let us segregate the task. So I will first isolate left rail inner and outer. Let's say left rail inner and left rail outer. Right click on it and say isolate only. Now again rest of the thing I will delete them. Just for time being, let us delete them and say yes. Now this file I will save for the engineer A. So let me say save as. In this project only I will create a new folder. Let's say left rail. Here just to get the feeling I will put the engineer A name, but in practice we will never put the name. We will just put the component name over here. Let's copy this name. Let's open it and here I will say paste and let's save it. Now this file has been saved for the engineer A. In similar fashion, let me do the undo. I will assign the rear truss outer and inner to engineer B. So let me say isolate only. Rest of the thing I will delete it just for the time being. And here again I will save this file. But this time I will save it as an rear truss, but has been assigned to the engineer B. Let's copy the name and let's say save it. Again press undo. Again for the front truss upper and lower I will assign this task to the C engineer. So let me isolate that only. Here as you can see, by mistakenly this outer and upper component has been created. So let me isolate only and see this component, this outer component is blank one. That means if I hide it, by mistakenly it has been created. So don't worry about it. Let me select these two only, say isolate only again, and this rest component again I will delete them. And let's save this component. But here I have forgot to add the reinforcement plate. So let's say undo. Let me switch on the reinforcement plate also and let me delete these rest of the things. And again save this file for the engineer C. Give the name like front truss engineer C. In this way basically you can segregate the task between the different engineer. Now let us assume that we are engineer A and that task has been assigned to us. But see, though we have segregated the task between the different engineers, we haven't given them the criteria files that needed to be followed or quality files that needed to be followed. Whenever we get the project, team lead will have all the ideas and it will have all the discussions with the client. Then later, team lead will give all those details to the engineers. So now let us give our engineers the criteria file setting. So I can go for preferences. As we have already made the criteria file settings, so I just have to save it. So I can go for save as and let me save it to all the engineer file. So here I can go for quality file and here I will save it. In similar fashion, let's say save as for engineer A, let me save it, and again save as, let's say for engineer B. Now our engineer A, B and C, all of them have the required information that needed to carry out the project.